You all have seen this at some point in life. But do you recognize this sound? That sound was a hearing test tone. Your ears work just as hard, probably harder than your eyes. Noise, airports, conversations. There are so many sounds around us all the time. Unlike your eyes, your ears don't warn you. They just quietly give up. By the time you notice, you already have lost years of clarity. You are not hearing, you are guessing. The good news. Hearing test takes 20 to 30 minutes. Does not hurt. When was your last hearing test?